Welcome, beautiful souls, to Abundance River. In this 5th practice video, we're focusing on overcoming self-doubt, the voice inside that questions your worth and holds you back. Self-doubt can cloud your confidence and keep you from reaching your true potential. In this session, we'll release those limiting beliefs, embrace your inner strength, and rebuild your trust in yourself. Let's take this empowering step together toward a more confident and courageous you. Let's begin. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Hold it and exhale slowly. Let your body relax. Release any tension you may be holding in your shoulders, your neck, or your chest. As you breathe, allow your mind to quiet. In this moment, you are safe, supported, and capable of overcoming anything. Trust yourself as we begin this journey together. Imagine that you are standing on a mountaintop. The wind is gentle, the sky is clear. As you stand here, feel the weight of your self-doubt on your shoulders. It may feel like a heavy bag, dark clouds, or stones in your hands. Now, take a deep breath and let it go. Picture yourself dropping this weight, watching as the wind carries it away. See the clouds of doubt disappearing into the sky, dissolving into nothing. With every breath, you become lighter, more free, and more confident. Now, see yourself standing tall and strong, with nothing holding you back. You are confident, capable, and powerful. Visualize yourself moving forward on your path, achieving your goals, and pursuing your dreams. Trust in your abilities, trust in your strength. You are more than enough. Now, let's affirm your confidence and trust in yourself. I believe in my abilities and trust in my intuition. I am confident, capable, and strong. I release all fear and self-doubt, and I embrace my power. I trust in my path and the choices I make. I am worthy of success and happiness. As we close today's session, take a moment to reflect on your strengths. You are capable, powerful, and worthy. Self-confidence is a practice, one that you can choose to embrace every day. Whenever doubt arises, return to this place of inner strength and know that you have everything you need within you to succeed. Thank you for joining me today. In the next video, we'll dive into accepting your imperfections and embracing self-love exactly as you are. Subscribe to continue this journey of healing and growth.